Assalamu alaikum scholars, you are listening to Ziaur Rahman here. Today we have lecture number 50 and it's part 14. Today's lecture is about how to show the figure for high and low moderated impact by using PLS software. It is very easy. The previous lecture was about how you can treat the second order software variables by using PLS software, and the next lecture will be how you can show the values of factor loading, Cronbach alpha, AVE and different other values of the reliability and validity by using PLS software. Scholars, if you have not subscribed to our channel, it is requested to please subscribe it. Today's lecture is totally a practical session. I have a very simple model for you. You can see that this is the model in which one variable policy is used as a moderated variable. So you can use the figure for moderated impact, high and low moderated impact, by click on view and then click on view oblique plot linear and non-linear relationship among the latent variable. Click on wrapped, click on view. This is the most popular way of showing the picture. You can see that 1.32 is the maximum positive impact of the leadership and minus 3.71 is the maximum lowest and negative impact of the leadership. Similarly, 0.62 is the maximum positive impact of the employee behavior and minus 0.83 is the maximum negative impact of the employee behavior due to high and low role of the policies. Here you can see that low policy, it starts from here, but it remains after some time, it remains upper from the high policies, and in the end it ends with the positive value. See, at the high policies it starts with the high value of the positive figures, the maximum high 1.32 and the 0.62, but it goes to the negative very sharp and very straightforward to the negative side, and at the end it remains in negative. It means that low level of policies is more strengthen the relationship between the leadership and the environment and the employee behavior as compared to the high level of policies. You can save it, save the picture, save. You can save it in your destination where you can save your files for the figure. Now it is saving the figure. Saved. See it here. This is the figure. And you can use this figure simply by copy and paste it in your MS Word file. So this is the way. This is the low policy and this is the high policy. The low policy is found as more strengthen the relationship as compared to the high policies where the relationship remains in negative and very sharp convert to the from positive to the negative side, and in the end it remains in negative, but the low policy remain in positive side. So this is all about today's lecture. Scholars, if you have not subscribed to our channel, it is requested to please subscribe it, and the next lecture will be about how to show the values of the reliability and validity and Cronbach alpha by using PLS software. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.